What if I told you there's a place where wilderness meets serenity, where the roar of a lion is followed by the calm waves of the Indian Ocean? Would you believe me? Welcome to the enchanting realms of Tanzania and Zanzibar. Tucked away in the eastern corner of Africa, these gems of nature burst with life and vibrancy. Tanzania, a land of majestic landscapes, is home to the iconic Serengeti and the towering Kilimanjaro. Just off its coast, Zanzibar, an archipelago in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, offers a tranquil escape. Imagine a world where the untamed wilderness of the African savanna converges with the serene beaches of a tropical island. It's a world where every sunrise is a spectacle, and every sunset paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson. So are you ready to embark on an adventure that promises thrills and tranquility in equal measures? Welcome to the ultimate travel guide to Tanzania and Zanzibar. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine driving through vast open plains, only to be greeted by the majestic sight of elephants and lions in their natural habitat. Welcome to the heart of Tanzania, where a world of breathtaking wildlife adventures awaits you. A safari in Tanzania is a journey into the untamed, a chance to witness nature's drama unfold right before your eyes. Now let's talk about the famous national parks that make Tanzania a dream destination for wildlife enthusiasts. The Serengeti, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a name that resonates with the spirit of African wildlife. Its sweeping plains, teeming with herds of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles, are a spectacle of nature's grandeur. And who could forget the sight of the powerful lions, poised and ready for the chase? Then, there's the Ngorongoro crater, the world's largest unbroken volcanic caldera. It's a natural amphitheater, hosting an array of wildlife that includes the densest population of lions on Earth. Here you'll experience the thrill of spotting the Big Five: the lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and Cape buffalo. Each encounter is a pulse-racing moment, a priceless memory etched into the canvas of the wild. Tanzania's safari experience is not just about the wildlife, it's also about timing. If you want to witness one of nature's greatest spectacles, the Great Migration, you'll need to plan your visit between July and October. This is when over 2 million wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles move in a circular pattern across the Serengeti and Masai Mara in search of greener pastures. It's a breathtaking sight, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of life on the African plains. So, whether you're an avid wildlife photographer, a nature enthusiast, or someone seeking adventure, Tanzania's safari offers an experience that's as diverse as the wildlife that inhabit its plains. It's a journey that transcends the ordinary, a voyage into the heart of the wild, where every moment is a tale of survival, courage, and the indomitable spirit of nature. As the sun sets over the African plains, we leave the wild behind and head towards tranquility. From the wild roar of the jungle, we find ourselves listening to the soothing whispers of the ocean. As we transition from Tanzania's heartland, we arrive on the dazzling shores of Zanzibar, a paradise where the sands are as white as the clouds and the waters, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise and azure. This is a place where tranquility meets vibrancy, and where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace for life. Imagine yourself strolling along the pristine beaches, your footprints the only disturbance on the untouched sands. The sun is a gentle warmth on your skin, and the breeze carries the scent of the ocean and the distant whisper of coconut palms. As you gaze out at the clear waters, you can't help but marvel at the shimmering surface, hiding a world teeming with life beneath. Dive beneath the surface and you're welcomed by an extraordinary spectacle of marine life. The coral reefs of Zanzibar are a riot of colors and shapes, home to a variety of fish species, turtles, and dolphins. Every dive is a new adventure, a chance to discover something you've never seen before. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the elusive whale shark, a gentle giant of the ocean. But the ocean's allure doesn't stop at diving. Zanzibar offers a plethora of water activities to keep your adrenaline pumping. Feel the thrill of windsurfing as the gusty winds propel you across the waves. Experience the joy of snorkeling, where the underwater world is revealed in all its spectacular detail. Or embark on a traditional dhow cruise and let the rhythm of the ocean and the setting sun paint a picture you'll remember forever. The beaches of Zanzibar aren't just about relaxation and adventure, they're about immersion. Immersion in the beauty of nature, in the rhythm of the ocean, and in the vibrant life that thrives both above and below the water. As we soak in the tropical sun, it's time to dive into the rich history that these islands hold. From the sands of the beach, we journey into the heart of Zanzibar, where every stone and every street tells a story. But that, dear listeners, is a tale for another time. Walking through the narrow lanes of Stone Town, you can almost hear the whispers of the bygone era. Zanzibar, an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, wears its history proudly. A melting pot of cultures, it has been shaped by centuries of influence from Arab, Persian, Indian, and European traders. Each has left their indelible mark, weaving a rich tapestry of history, culture, and heritage. The heart of Zanzibar, Stone Town, is a testament to this rich legacy. With every step, you tread on centuries-old cobblestones, each one a silent witness to the passage of time. The town's labyrinthine lanes lead you to majestic palaces and humble homes, their wooden doorways intricately carved, telling tales of the island's past. Stone Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a title it wears with dignity. The old fort, known as Ngome Kongwe, stands tall, its weather-beaten walls narrating stories of resistance and resilience. It's a silent reminder of the island's turbulent past, a monument to its enduring spirit. And then, there are the spice markets. Zanzibar, aptly known as the Spice Island, was the center of the spice trade in the 19th century. The air in these markets is thick with the heady aroma of cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and countless other spices. The markets are a sensory delight, a riot of colors, smells, and sounds that transport you back to bustling trading days when Zanzibar was a pivotal stop on the spice route. It's not just about the past, though. Zanzibar's history and heritage form the backbone of its present and its future. The island continues to evolve, its culture, traditions, and way of life, all deeply rooted in its storied past. The history of Zanzibar is not just written in books, it's etched in the island's landscapes, echoed in the rhythmic beats of taarab music, and infused in the flavors of its cuisine. It's a living, breathing entity that continues to shape the island and its people. As we journey back in time, we realize that our adventure is far from over. What's a journey without indulging in the local flavors? The Tanzanian and Zanzibari cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors and cultures. The diverse history of the region, with influences from Bantu, Arab, Portuguese, Indian, British, and even German settlers, has contributed to a unique culinary landscape that's worth exploring. Let's start with ugali, the national dish of Tanzania. This simple yet satisfying staple is made from cornmeal or millet, cooked into a thick, sticky porridge. It's often served with a side of beans, meat, or a sauce, and is eaten with your hands, making it a truly immersive culinary experience. Next, we have nyama choma. The name translates to grilled meat in Swahili, and it's a beloved dish throughout East Africa. The meat, usually goat or beef, is slow roasted over an open fire until it's tender and juicy. It's typically served with kachumbari, a fresh tomato and onion salad, and a helping of ugali. Now, let's take a culinary journey to the Spice Island, Zanzibar. Here, the cuisine is a mix of African, Arab, and Indian flavors, with a generous use of spices in every dish. A must-try is the Zanzibar pizza, but don't expect your usual pizza toppings. This street food delight is a thin dough filled with a mix of minced meat, vegetables, egg, and cheese, all sealed together and fried to golden perfection. Other Zanzibari delights include pilau and biryani, rice dishes heavily influenced by Indian and Persian cuisines, and uroho, a tangy soup with a mix of fried bhajias, cassava chips, and meat skewers. And let's not forget about the fresh seafood, caught daily and cooked with a blend of spices that give it a unique Zanzibari twist. With every bite and every sip, you'll find a story, a tradition, a piece of Tanzania and Zanzibar's history. The cuisine here is a testament to the region's rich cultural diversity and a reflection of its vibrant spirit. As we savor the last bite of our Zanzibar pizza, our journey comes to an end. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey? We've uncovered the mysteries of Tanzania and Zanzibar, basked in the thrill of Tanzania's safari, soaked up the sun on Zanzibar's pristine beaches, delved into the rich history and heritage, and tantalized our taste buds with the unique flavors of their cuisine. Now it's your turn to experience this adventure. The best time to visit? June to October for wildlife viewing and cool weather. For beach lovers, the warm, sunny days of December to February are ideal. A few tips before you go. Pack light, but don't forget your sunscreen and bug spray. Try to learn a few Swahili words. It's a great way to connect with locals. And most importantly, keep an open mind and heart to fully embrace the beauty and culture of these incredible places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy travels!